Prior to procurement during the design phase, a detailed specification is prepared defining all the technical requirements of the project, including the factory acceptance test requirements. Factory acceptance testing is the off-site testing done during the procurement phase in the factory to verify that the software and hardware are designed correctly and meet the specification requirements. This greatly reduces project risk by addressing errors earlier in the project prior to equipment arriving at site. Any errors identified in the factory are much cheaper and easier to address in the factory than waiting to identify and fix errors on site. All major equipment will undergo factory acceptance testing, such as large electrical apparatus, equipment with specific dielectric requirements, and all process-specific equipment. Software is an important part of factory acceptance testing to verify that the automation or the logic and code is programmed correctly per specification. Software should be uploaded to the hardware and integrated factory acceptance testing conducted to ensure that the hardware and the software function correctly per specification. Any errors found at this stage of the project before the hardware leaves the factory greatly reduce the risk of the project and on-site commissioning.
This is one of the topics covered in my 3-day mini course on commissioning and startup. To get started with the full course, please go to commissioningandstartup.com where you can sign up for free. My name is Paul Turner, and I want to help you survive and thrive in your commissioning career.